Using AI in 2026 has become a little ridiculous. You ask ChatGPT to research something, then you move to Claude to rewrite it, another tool organises your ideas, another one builds your slides. Before long, you've got a dozen tabs open and you're spending more time managing AI than actually getting work done. So, I started wondering, what if all those AI tools could work together like an actual team? That's exactly what Teamily AI is trying to do. Instead of giving you one chatbot, it lets you build an AI team that works alongside you inside a single conversation. So today, I'm putting it to the test by asking it to help create a complete YouTube video plan from research all the way to a polished outline. No scripted demo, just one real project. Let's see how it performs. AI models keep getting smarter, but I think the biggest problem today isn't intelligence, it's workflow. Most AI tools live in separate chats. Every time you switch between them, you end up repeating the same context, copying responses around, and manually connecting everything together. Teamily AI takes a different approach. Instead of treating AI like individual chatbots, it brings multiple AI agents into one shared workspace, where they can collaborate with you and with each other. Think of it like having a small creative team inside one chat instead of managing several disconnected assistants. It sounds like a great idea, but does it actually make work easier? Let's find out. Here's the challenge I gave Teamily. Instead of asking one AI to handle everything, I wanted to build a small content team. The goal was to create a complete YouTube video plan for a new AI productivity tool, from research to a polished outline. Normally, I'd use 3 or 4 different AI tools to do that. This time, everything happens inside one conversation. So, first, I created 4 specialized agents. A research agent to gather information and identify trends, a strategy agent to decide on the strongest YouTube angle, a content agent to turn that strategy into a structured video outline, and finally, a review agent to check everything for clarity and flow before we wrap up. With the team ready, I only had to explain the project once. I simply told them, we're creating a YouTube video about a new AI productivity platform. Research the topic, find the best content angle, build an engaging outline, and review the final result. That's it. One prompt, one conversation. No jumping between tabs. No copying and pasting responses. No explaining the same project over and over. Within moments, the research agent started collecting useful information. As soon as it finished, the strategy agent built on that research and suggested several different video angles. After I picked my favorite, the content agent transformed it into a complete video structure. Finally, the review agent looked through the entire conversation and suggested improvements before calling it finished. What surprised me most was how naturally the workflow moved from one agent to another. Instead of manually coordinating every step, it felt like everyone already understood the assignment because they were working from the same conversation. Now came the part I was most curious about. Would these agents actually collaborate, or would they just behave like separate chatbots sharing the same screen? Thankfully, it was much closer to the first. The research agent identified the target audience, common pain points, and current trends around AI productivity tools. Then, the strategy agent immediately built on that research and suggested 3 different video concepts. One focused on productivity, another compared existing AI workflows, and the third centered around replacing multiple AI tools with one collaborative AI team. I went with the third idea. Without needing any extra explanation, the content agent took over and created a complete video structure based on the strategy we'd already chosen. It generated the hook, the main sections, suggested demonstrations, and even recommended where to add moments that would keep viewers engaged. To push it a little further, I asked the team to rewrite the introduction in a more conversational YouTube style. What impressed me was that I didn't have to explain the project again. The agents already understood the context because they'd been involved from the beginning. That ended up being one of the biggest advantages of the entire workflow. Instead of every prompt feeling like a brand new conversation, the project kept moving forward naturally. Finally, the review agent stepped in. Rather than rewriting everything, it pointed out weak sections, suggested clearer wording, and recommended a few changes to improve the overall flow. By the end, I had something I could actually use. A researched content strategy, a polished video outline, and feedback to make the final version even stronger. It didn't feel like I was chatting with one AI. It genuinely felt like I was managing a small team where each agent had a specific job, and together they produced a much better result than I probably would have gotten from a single chatbot. So, after using Teamily AI for this workflow, here's my honest takeaway. I don't think it's trying to replace every AI tool you already use. If you just need a quick answer, your favourite chatbot is still probably the fastest option. But when you're working on projects with multiple steps, that's where Teamily starts to make sense. Instead of constantly switching between different AI tools and manually stitching everything together, you're working with a team of specialised AI agents that already understand the project because they've been part of the same conversation from the beginning. And that memory doesn't just disappear when I close the chat. If I come back tomorrow, the team still remembers this project. For creators, that could mean researching, outlining, scripting, and reviewing content. For founders, it could be planning a product launch or creating marketing materials. And for professionals, it could be organising meetings, summarising discussions, and turning them into action plans. The biggest difference isn't just having multiple AI agents. It's having them collaborate inside one shared conversation instead of working in completely separate chats. That alone makes the workflow feel much smoother and eliminates a lot of the repetitive back and forth that's common with traditional AI tools. Overall, I think Teamily AI offers a fresh approach to working with AI, not as a single assistant, but as a team that can collaborate with you on real projects. If that sounds interesting, you can try Teamily AI yourself using the link in the description and build your own AI team for whatever you work on. I'd love to know what kind of AI team you'd create first, so let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.